Welcome, in front of me is OPPO Reno 14 5G, and in this video I will show you how to fix the issue when you hear no sound during calls on this smartphone. So the first thing that you can do in order to solve this problem is change the volume during a call using side buttons on your phone. So if you don't hear no sound, of course increase the volume level to by pressing the volume up button until you reach the ultra volume mode. Then you can also go to settings, go to sounds and vibration, scroll down, and if you have something like a call volume in this menu, then move this the slider next to such feature to the very right, and check if you hear any volume during your call. And if you don't, then try disabling your Bluetooth by sliding down the control center and disabling the Bluetooth feature to make sure that you don't have any Bluetooth devices connected to your smartphone, and then check if this once again after that increase the volume level and check if your sound during call has improved. And after that you can if this didn't solve your problem, you can test your phone with another call or app, for example WhatsApp or maybe Discord, and anything else that you use for making calls. Then if this doesn't help you solve your problem, then just restart your smartphone by pressing power button and the volume up button at the same time. Select restart and wait until your phone is rebooted. After that, try to make a call once again and check if your problem is resolved. And if it's still not, you can go to settings, go to system and update settings, and select the backup and reset settings. Then go to reset phone and select reset all settings. Confirm twice, then wait until all the settings are reset, and then try to make a call once again. At this point the issue should be resolved. And to improve the situation even more, you can go back to the system and update section, go to software update, make sure that you are connected to the internet after that to check if your phone has any updates. So let me enter the password real quick. So connect to the internet, then check if your device has any updates. If you don't see any updates, refresh this page, and if it says that your version is up to date, that means that you don't have to do any more things. But if you do have any updates to install, then of course take your time to download and install all the latest software updates for your phone. And after that, hopefully this problem will no longer appear on your device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.